to dump these vegetables in here for my uncle.
Go ahead. Over there. Don't burn yourself. Go ahead. Whoa, you almost dropped it. That one don't go in here. That's in the trash. Throw that away. Here, throw this away now, so I can mix it.
I'll mix it, that one.
Cause I don't want you to burn yourself.
I can do it with you. What?
Go ahead.
Yummy. We're going to put it in this one.
Put the rice in there. No, put the whole bag in there, Sammy. Don't put the other one in. Alright, so we put the peppers in, we're gonna do a little bit of seasoning.
I'm gonna do this seasoning.
We'll put this in here. Oh, it's not this over here.
Can I do the seasoning?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this.